afraid to wear shimmer eyeshadow because you think it's going to be too aging, I'm going to show you how to properly wear it. I promise you, it's beautiful. You can wear it. I'm going to share some tips. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm just using the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. I'm going to go in first. I want to use that brightening shadow first. I'm just going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to apply it right on my lid. Just like that. Next, I'm going to go and I'm going to use this matte shadow right there. And I'm going to relax my eye and I'm going to go right here because I want to push this part of my eye up. I want to lift that up. I'm just going in with a little bit more and putting it right up there. So you want to relax your eye. You don't want to lift your eye up like this. No, just relax it and look right straight into the mirror. The next thing, it's going to seem a little scary. We're going to go and we're going to use this shimmer shadow right here. Now I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to tap it off. And I'm going to put it on the outside here. I'm going to actually tap this on because since it's a shimmer, it's on the border being shimmer glitter, okay? And so it could be quite messy. That's why you gotta make sure you tap it off. And I just want to tap this on like this. Now this is where I need to get my magnified mirror. And I know it's scary to have a magnified mirror because you don't want to see your face that close, but honey, you need to because you need to be able to make sure that you're blending everything out, you're applying it properly, and how can you see when it's that far away from you? So I'm just tapping this on just like that. I'm going to wipe my brush off. Then I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take a fluffy brush. And now I'm going to take it and I'm going to blend it. So some of that shimmer is going to get up there, but that's okay. Most of it is on the outside here. Now I'm going to go in and I want to deepen it a little bit more up there. So I'm going to take that same fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with this color right here on the end. And I'm just going to lightly apply just a little bit more. And again, I'm not stretching my eye, but I'm closing it. So I can get up there, I'm wiping it off, and I'm going to go ahead and just buff that out. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and use this color right here. And I'm going to apply that on my lid. And then on top of it, I'm going to apply this color that's next to it. Now, if I would have just went in with this color, it's more of a topper, so you're not going to see much of a look with it. You wouldn't see much color, and I definitely wanted to add a little bit of color there. And by starting out with that base color that I use, that brightening color, that's just going to brighten my lid up a little bit more too. So again, it's going to make that shadow pop. Let's finish this look. I'm going to go in and use an eyeliner on my tight line only. Then I'm going to blend it out. Just to kind of soften it. I always like to get this inner corner part there too. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner again, and I'm just going to apply just a little bit thicker to the end, just like that. Use a pencil brush. And I'm just going to blend this and just sweep it up a little bit. I'm not really making a wing, but just kind of thickening that a little bit more, just so it kind of makes my lashes look a little bit lifted on that side. That's how I did it, by just adding just a little bit just to the outer corner like that. Taking that pencil brush again, I'm going to go in with this deep shadow right here. And I'm going to just apply it right to my lash line because I don't add mascara. And I need a little bit of a shadow there. I don't want to pull it down too much because if I pull it down too much, it's going to pull my eye down, so I don't want that. Curl in my lashes. Then next and last step is applying my mascara. And again, this is my final look. So one more tip that I want to share with you. Do not put any highlighter right here on your lid, because if you do and you've hooded eyes, you're just going to draw more attention to that area. Instead, I did an eyebrow tutorial. Put a little bit right there. See that right at the highest part of my brow? So when you do that, your attention's going to go up there. It's going to make your eye look a little bit more lifted, keep the shimmer away from there. So you can put shimmer here. You can actually put shimmer here. Just want to go a little bit easy on it. That's why I started in the outer corner. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I'd really appreciate it too. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.